Modern means of travel. Traveling is a requirement of everyone. People travel to meet their friends and relatives. They also travel as a part of their job or business. A number of means are available for travel. Let's learn about them. Different means of transport. Today, people have choice to select the means of transport. People can select land transport, air transport, or water transport. Water transport is slow and is used for cargo mostly. In land transport, people use bus, train, car, etc. Two- and three-wheelers are used for local travel. For long journeys, many people prefer train. Modern trains like Vande Bharat, Shatabdi Express or Rajdhani Express run very fast. Food is served inside the train. They also get material to sleep like blanket, pillow, etc. Modern buses are also very fast. Seats of modern buses are very comfortable. People can relax while traveling. They can even enjoy music and videos while traveling. Some people have to travel to other countries. They use aeroplanes to travel. It is the fastest means of transportation. We can reach other countries in a few hours. People are served food inside the plane. All aeroplanes are boarded from the airports. All big cities have airports. Knowing about other places. When we travel to other places, we come to know many things about the new place. It is very exciting to know new things about other places. On our return, we share the new things with our friends and relatives, and they also come to know the new things. For example, people who travel to Kashmir often talk about the Dal Lake. People visiting Rajasthan talk about the forts and palaces. Similarly, all places have some famous things which can be shared with others. People who visit the foreign countries often talk about the planned cities, tall buildings, disciplined traffic, fast life, and so on. Paying for travel. Modern means of transport are very convenient. People can reserve their ticket and pay over the internet. They can also go to the booking office to reserve their tickets and pay money in cash. Many currency notes are available for payment in different denominations like 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500. The value of money is written on each currency note in Hindi, English, and several regional languages. We can find the national emblem of 4 lions on each currency note. This emblem has 4 lions, 3 are visible, a wheel called Ashoka Chakra, a bull and a horse. A picture of Mahatma Gandhi can also be seen on every currency note. He is called the father of the nation. He led the freedom movement peacefully. He also led many movements against the British rule. Besides currency notes, there are several coins of different denominations. These coins have been changing from time to time. Before independence, coins had the picture of the British Queen. Each type of Indian currency can be used within India only. If we go to a foreign country, we use currency of that country. For example, if we go to the USA, we take dollars from a bank in India. For UK, we take pounds.